In this lecture, we are going to start conditional statements like if. So in Python, conditional statements allows us to control the flow of your program execution based on certain conditions. Here, the first one we are going to start if. So what is a if? If checks a condition. If the condition is true, it can execute the block of statements. Otherwise, it doesn't react. So what is that? If it checks the condition, and if the condition is true, it prints some statements, statement 1, statement 2, so on, statement n. So if the condition only true, it will be execute this block of statements. If condition become the false, it won't execute, and the trigger will jump to the next continuous statements. Here the indentation of this control statement is somewhat different when we compare to other program. The if is a keyword and followed by your condition. After your condition, you put that colon. Then you leave some space here. There's an indentation space, and you write your statement. N number of statements you write here. And when your the block is, if when you want to stop, that close your block, if block, then you can start here. Your content is start from here, your printable statement start from here. Means that your if condition is going to consider Python virtual machine consider up to here. These are conditional statements, right? So what is the flow of control? This if every programming having similar, every programming language having similar. This is a condition and the two paths. So one is false, one is true. If condition become the true, it execute the block of statements, a block of if statements. And if the condition is false, it will be jumps to other statements. And after, if the condition is true also, after executing this block of statement, it jumps to this. So condition become the true, it follows the statements. If the condition is false, it will be going to next block directly. So I want to execute some basic programs with this if condition. So for open PyCharm, I'm going to execute here. Just you check the whether your entered number is positive or not, you want to find that. So for that, so x equal to, I want to collect from the user integer. I'm going to collect integer input. So enter number. So from this you may enter one number 45. So it allows the 45. So then you observe print x is 40, that again you consider for enter statement 45, x value is 45. Now I'm going to use if condition x greater than or equal to 0. Suppose greater than 0, either greater than or, that greater than 0 and followed by colon. This is a condition, and enter. This is an indentation space. Here I want to print some statement. Print entered value is positive. Entered value is positive. Then I'm closing, that I want to execute, run this E89. Then the entered value is positive. Same way, suppose I entered minus 48. Then you observe it prints the x value, but it never did anything. That it never respond for your condition. Just it stops. Why? Because the condition is false. So what? It never return anything. Here entered value is even number or not. I am going to check. How I can check? A percentile to equal 0. These are my condition. Then here entered value is even. Suppose even, I'm going to check this. 89 I am going to enter here, 89, then not respond, and here I am going to enter 44, then the entered value is even value. So in this way we are going to check. So this is a if. It checks the condition. If the condition is false, it never replay the anything. Suppose I want to check one name, I mean that this is an empty string or not, I want to check. Name equaled, I put empty string. For confirmation, a print if not name, print name is empty. So for this, so name is empty. How it possible the empty? So already in a previous lecture we had discussed this membership operator, not is membership operator. So this is not name. Suppose I entered here SSS, then the condition, so it never execute anything. Why? Because it is not empty. Is empty. So what we are getting? So it's a very simple one. So if condition is true, it execute, otherwise a false. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.